Hi guys, welcome back to our next video. In this video, we will be discussing how to differentiate our products that we find to make it stand out of the crowd. Because if you are selling the same product that many people are selling, then there are very less chances that people would be buying from you, considering you will be new entering the market with no reviews, with no any sale history. So it's always better to make your product differentiate from the crowd. And that's what we will be discussing in this video. And I will be sharing trick and tips how to do it and how to stand out of the crowd. In our last video, we discussed about the filters, how to find that product that are or has the potential to be successful on Amazon, and how to find its profitability, where to source those products, and how to acquire those products. So yeah, the search volume we discussed for the keyword should be around 2,000. Revenue should be at least 2,000 per month. Pricing range between 12.5 to 55, so that we have enough margin and are making profit as well. Review count should not be more than 300, 400 max, and the categories, the shipping fee, the monthly sales, everything that was discussed in the last video. In our last video, we discussed and found a product that was a deposit pack and also a strawberry cow. So in this video, we will be taking one of the examples so that we can discuss how we can find the differentiating item, or differentiating, like maybe you can say as a USP from different other sellers. So for this example, we will be taking a strawberry cow. And the first most important thing is that we need to find the keywords. What are the most important keywords? And it might be that we call it as a strawberry cow, and somebody else would be calling it as a push strawberry cow. And both of those product means the same. So it means that a lot of sellers would be searching for the same product using different keywords. So it is very important to find those keywords, and so that we know which keywords we will be ranking on and what would be the search volume. And for that, we can find it from Helium. Here I have Helium opened up, but you can use Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and Brand Analytic as well. So as I've said in multiple times in many other videos as well, that is best to combine all of those. But for example, for this example, we will be just taking Helium. There is a tool for Helium that's called Carbaro. In this, you can find out the keywords. So for this, we searched the product that we are looking to sell. We have put their competitive ASINs here as well, and we'll just make sure that at least 2 competitors are at least ranked out of 4 on those keywords. So just to make sure that the keywords that these tools are giving are most relevant to the product, not just a random keyword. So here we can see that this product, as we know it from a strawberry cow, which we found during our product hunting video, but we can see here a lot of people search it as Swiss Mallow, 14 inches square cow Swiss Mallow, and a lot of Swiss Mallow being used. It's because this brand is one of the top brands that sell this product. But here we can see that a lot of keywords are ranked above 2,000, has a search volume more than 2,000, because this is another important point that we need to find during our product search, is that the top 5 keywords of that product should be above 2,000, so that our overall total search volume is around 10,000. It means that at least then, based if we are ranked on those keywords, we will be getting around 10 units per day, because on average it's like if a keyword has 1,000 search volume, so you will be getting at least 1 order for that unit. So first of all, while doing our product research, after research analysis, we will be looking for the keywords as well. And here you can see that pink cow, giant Swiss Mallow, and a lot of other keywords you can find out from these tools, which can later on you can use for the ranking. So now the point comes is how we can differentiate our product from the competitor. There are a couple of ways that we can do it, and I will go through each one of them in this video. And the first and the most important one is the frequently bought together. Okay, so now we will be jumping towards how we can differentiate our products from the crowd. That's the most important thing, because what we will be doing is we will be bundling up our product with some kind of a cheap product, just so that it is slightly separate from other many sellers that are selling on this, so that it can give us a competitive edge. For that, we will just go on to the product that are most relevant to us. And here we can see that this seller just sold 200 units last month with just 160 reviews. And while clicking here, we can see frequently bought. This frequently bought won't be of much use because they are slightly higher priced, which means that their sourcing would be more or less same to our main product. And of course, we don't want that, else our product would come quite expensive. So we will just try to find some other products just to see if we can find anything in the frequently bought, as it will give us an idea that if someone is buying this our product, most probably there are chances that they would be buying this other product as well. So if we combine them together, it would be that our product, both of the products would be bought from our listing instead of some of the sales going to somebody else. Similarly here as well, let's try another list product, another here. So this means that in our first step, in our first method, we haven't really found anything that would be differentiating. So we'll jump on to the next method. So yes, so in the first method, we haven't been able to find much of the products that we can merge with our product or add as an add-on. So what we will do is we will move on to the next method that's called autofill method. We will just enter the keyword in the search volume, search bar over the in the Amazon, and let Amazon suggest us what people are buying with this product. So here we can see that Sweaty Cow, Swiss Malio, Push, Hoodie. Hoodie is a bit expensive, so we know it doesn't really make blanket. Blanket would be also a bit expensive. So I can see here two things that, really I think that would be of a product that we are looking for, something that is small, cheap, that can easily just add on maybe a bit of 0.1 or 0.2 dollar. And so the sourcing is very cheap, and we can just simply add it on the product and making sure that our product overall sourcing doesn't become very expensive. So I will just click on to car accessories. So we can see here there is one keychain. So this gives us an idea. Okay, this is good. If this keychain is being sold for $7.99, this means this sourcing would be around 0.1 or 0.5 from Alibaba. And similarly, we could see another thing as well that the search bar suggested us was stickers. So here you can see that stickers are being sold for 5.99. So it means its sourcing would be also somewhere around 0.1, 0.15 maximum. So even if we add this product into our listing with our main product, it would be hardly making any difference, but it would be giving us a massive competitive edge over a lot of other sellers. So see, hey, this is how we find the USP for our products and make them differentiate from the other products. And similarly, there is another method as well. So which is we dig down further in the category of that product to find a differentiating product that can be adding into our main product. That is just for a learning point of view, so that you guys can understand. For example, if you were not able to find any product with the auto fill key bar in the Amazon search engine, that would be the next method I would be doing it. I will just quickly show you guys how we do that as well. We will go out here to the product information, click on to the category of the product, and try to find any cheap or product that are cheap and small. We can see here this is one of the products, but it's for fill for dog toys, so it's like it is cheap. It won't be small as well, but it's for products. So our product is related to humans. So it's ideal to find a product that is of use for human. For example, a sticker. Well, most probably whoever is buying that product, our product can use that sticker for the same person to gift it as a gift to same person or use it themselves. So here you can go into and dig down here further to find out any cheap and small products that can be again combined as an add-on. So this is the third method. You can easily go on and find a product that can be added to add a USP to your product. And the next method that we do is called review analysis. What happens here is that we analyze the existing seller reviews to find out what the current buyers are suggesting or has problem with these products, so we can make sure we can eliminate those, or how we can add value to our product, or how we can improve our product. So for that, we use a tool which Helium has it. It's called Review Insight. This is a very good tool. It just gives you a complete picture of how the product reviews are, what the problems the people are facing, what are the top helpful reviews, what are the top phrases. So in this way, you can just simply download and export these reviews, and then can find out how you can improve it. So here we can see that the buyer has mentioned that it's flatter than he imagined. So it means that adding a bit of more extra cotton, the buyers would like your product definitely. So Review Insight is also something that we will be discussing further down in our another video, because it needs a bit more time to explain it. And these are few methods that I have discussed in this video, and within our second method we were able to find a very good product that can be added on as stickers to our product to differentiate it from our crowd. And there are a couple of other methods as well that we do in our research for whenever the product is being finalized. That is something we will be discussing maybe further down in the video or in our one-to-one coaching sessions. So guys, this is pretty much it from this video. The purpose of this video was just to give information to you guys how you can add USP to your product, how you can differentiate your product, how you guys can dominate the market, and how you can find potential keywords for your product. So in the next video, we will be discussing how to source these products, how to find the elite products, how to differentiate from a trader, factory, and how to find the best possible place to source this product and make sure to dominate our listing. So that's it, guys. See you in next video related to sourcing. Thank you. Bye.